I mean, normally people would call them up. I mean, I was accused of such and such. I mean, isn't it disgusting, whatever, awful, and talk to the witness, but you should not, you must not. That is very
yes,
important.
right. And you also contaminate them with your thought, with your own thoughts and feelings, but it doesn't work at all.
See.
You should keep calm, and you take a lawyer, and after that is please write your timeline in detail. It is very important. It is a very good starting point of your case.
How can it help, like remembering and writing timeline?
In my experience, it is always not enough to write some timeline. My client their own. So I need to discuss with my client about your timeline, his timeline, her timeline, and so I think you need to discuss with your lawyer in detail about your story and make your timeline. And you need to, first of all, you need to see it and make your mind calm and write down exact time, exact place, and what happened to me and what happened to us and what kind of talk we did, and the other things. There are a lot of things to write in your timeline.
I think what he said is that in the sense of supporting your testimony or evidence, the more detailed is the better. So you better sit down and calm, and then bring up your memory, and then do your best you can to remember and record the memory and write down, every time in the time sequence. That is a second important step.
Yes, right. Timeline is as detailed as you can. Your best, and I think you can't remember all things of the event. So you may recall what happened before the event and after the event, and especially in the middle of the event. It is timelines. In every moment, you need to discuss with your lawyer.
I see. So first of all, hiring or appointing very experienced and smart lawyer is the most important thing, I guess. But besides that, there are 7 steps that he created.
Okay. As far I am concerned, it is the most strong basis for your argument. So you should write your timeline.
So timeline is done, and then what is next? Could be third?
Yeah, third is witness. The witness is the very important person of evidence. It's a witness in many ways. Witnesses are very important. You have to bring back your memory. You have to back in the day and have to remember all people relate to your event. So you need to use your timeline.
I see.
But you must not contact them in person.
Oh, really?
Yes. In that case, the witness will be judged by policemen. They are contaminated by you. So the policeman say you, I don't trust them. So the witness won't use your case.
Oh, I see. I mean, normally people would call them up. I mean, you know, I was accused of such and such. I mean, isn't it disgusting, whatever, awful, and talk to the witness, but you should not, you must not. That is very
Yes,
important.
right. And you also contaminate them with your thought, with your own thoughts and feelings, but it doesn't work
I
at all.
see.
So you need to careful to meet in person.
So sometimes contacting and talking to the witness might viewed as compelling or imposing your own view to them, and it could work against you. Wow, that's very important.
But you don't have you don't have a lawyer, you don't hire a lawyer.
Yeah.
In that case, it is very hard to tolerate
Sure.
not to meet them
Yeah.
in person. But
Nobody can stop me. I would go and talk.
Yes, right.
I
But
see.
you need to stop talking with the witnesses in person. It is very dangerous. You can spoil your good witness.
Oh, I see.
So your lawyer and your lawyer's investigator will be contact for you.
Your lawyer or investigator.
Carefully.
So normal people without this kind of information, they would mistake such kind of things, right? I see. Wow.
Okay.
Okay, so what's next?